So once again, I've got another storage heater in the same property. This storage heater, it was installed by professionals, I can say that. So they put this shelf on top of the heater, so that I don't have any access. I got access only if I remove this screw and this one. So now I'll take the shelf down. So, how I said, this is a brand new heater, installed around 5 years ago. There is a lot of dust because the cover was fixed on top of the heater. Again, this is the first time I take off the panel and check the heater. It was installed to the night supply only. This storage heater needs day supply as well. Now, what I need to do, I need to pull a brand new cable to the storage heater to put a box here for the storage heater and to change that switch. And then obviously to lift up a little bit the shelf in order for tenants to work out this implex. Now, I will disconnect the heater. I'll remove it from that mains and pull brand new cables. But let's see how it looks inside. So I will remove this one. So bear in mind, this was brand new heater connected, but not installed correctly. That's one. That's two. Right. So once again, the installer connects these storage heaters like that. Very professional. Okay, so I need to remove these mains and obviously to connect the day supply here. I'll do that now. Thanks for watching.